Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make egg lollipops at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 6 large eggs, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and 2 tablespoons of milk. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of baking powder, plus salt and pepper to your liking. Finally, have some cooking oil ready for frying and a pack of lollipop sticks for the fun part. Now let's get started with the preparation. Carefully separate your egg yolks from the whites, placing them into 2 distinct bowls. Whisk the egg whites vigorously until they form soft, fluffy peaks, then set them aside for a moment. In the bowl with the yolks, add the flour, milk, baking powder, salt, and pepper, mixing everything thoroughly.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like for more great tips. And on another note, after all that cooking, why not let the Shark AI Ultra Robot vacuum handle the cleanup? It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Next, it's time to combine our mixtures and start cooking. Gently fold the whisked egg whites into your yolk mixture until just combined, being careful not to deflate the whites. Heat about 1 inch of cooking oil in a deep pan to a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop spoonfuls of the egg mixture into the hot oil and fry until they are beautifully golden brown. Almost there. Once your egg puffs are cooked, carefully remove them from the hot oil and place them on a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. While they are still warm, gently insert a lollipop stick into the center of each puff. And just like that, your delicious homemade egg lollipops are ready to be served and enjoyed immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.